Most people spend 40 hours a week working. A growing number of them are spending 20 of those hours on tasks that an AI workflow could handle automatically. That is not an exaggeration. That is what the data shows. And more importantly, that is what people who have actually built these systems are reporting. Today, I'm going to show you the exact workflow that reclaims those 20 hours. And the best part is, you set it up once and it runs without you. Here is the problem. Most people use AI tools the wrong way. They open ChatGPT, type a question, get an answer, and close the tab. That is not a workflow. That is just a slightly faster Google search. The real leverage comes when you chain AI tools together into a system that handles entire categories of work for you, automatically, on a schedule, without you touching it. The first piece is your AI inbox processor. Every morning, instead of spending an hour reading and sorting emails, you route your inbox through an AI agent that reads, categorizes, and drafts replies for anything routine. Tools like Zapier AI, Make, or a custom N8N flow can do this. You review a 5-item summary instead of 50 emails. That alone saves most people 5 to 7 hours a week. The second piece is your content research and drafting layer. If you create any kind of content for work or a side project, you are probably spending 3 to 5 hours a week just figuring out what to write and then writing a first draft. An AI research agent connected to a web search tool can pull the top sources on any topic, summarize them, and generate a structured draft in minutes. You edit and refine. You do not start from scratch. That is a massive time return. The third piece is your meeting and call summarizer. Every meeting you attend generates follow-up work, notes, action items, emails. Most people do this manually. Connect a transcription tool like Otter or Fireflies to an AI summarizer, and every meeting automatically produces a clean summary and a list of next steps delivered to your inbox or your project management tool before the call even ends. That is 2 to 3 hours back every week. The fourth piece is your scheduled reporting. If you track metrics, manage a business, or send regular updates to anyone, stop writing those reports by hand. Build a template, connect it to your data sources, and let an AI agent generate and send the report on a schedule. Weekly, daily, whatever you need. You review and approve. The writing is done. The fifth piece is the one most people skip: the connector layer. All of these automations are more powerful when they talk to each other. Your inbox processor should be able to trigger a research draft. Your meeting summarizer should drop action items directly into your task list. Tools like N8N, Make, or Zapier are the glue. Spend a weekend connecting everything, and you have built a machine that works for you every single day after that. Here is the insight most people miss. None of this requires coding. None of it requires a technical background. It requires one thing. You have to be willing to spend a few hours building the system instead of doing the work the slow way one more time. That upfront investment pays back in weeks, not months. The people winning with AI in 2026 are not the ones using the fanciest tools. They are the ones who built their workflow once and let it run. That is the unfair advantage. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe. Every week I cover the specific tools, systems, and strategies that are actually moving the needle for people building with AI right now.